by Boaz West.
Hello, my name is Boaz West, and I go to Clay Christian School, and I will be reciting Sneezels by A.A. Milne. Christopher Robin had the sneezels and the weasels that bundled him into his bed. They gave him repose for cold in his nose, but much more so a cold in his head. They wondered if sneezels could turn into weasels and measles could turn into mumps. They examined his chest for a rash and the rest of his body for spotted flowers. They sent for some doctors and sneezels and weasels to tell them what ought to be done. They all made note of all sorts of conditions, and famous physicians came hurrying around at run. They all made note of the state in his throat and asked if he'd suffered from thirst. They asked if the sneezels came after the weasels, or perhaps the sneezels came first. If you teasel a weasel or measle a sneezle may certainly grow, but by humor or pleasel a sneezle or weasel may certainly go. They expounded the weasels for sneezels and weasels. They expounded of weasels when new. They said if he freezels in droughts of the breezels, then the sneezels may easily ensue. Christopher Robin woke up the next morning, and the sneezels had vanished away. The look in his eyes seemed to say to the sky, now how to amuse him today.